Hello, Carson. Let's go to your room. You don't have to do this. I'm a day trader. I could just go home. I could. It'd be worth your while. Take you to an ATM with 14 grand in it. Everybody just walks away. An ATM. I know where the briefcase is. If you knew, you would have it with you. I'll find it from the riverbank. I know where it is. I know something better. What's that? I know where it's going to be. Where's that? It will be brought to me and placed by my feet. You don't know too certainly. 20 minutes? It could be here. I do know with a certainty, and you know what's going to happen now, Carson? You should admit your situation. There will be more dignity in it. You go to hell. Alright. Let me ask you something. If the rule you follow brought you to this, of what use was the roll? Do you have any idea how crazy you are? You mean the nature of this conversation? I mean the nature of you. You can have the money, Anton.